Hi guys, welcome to the UX course. Now we are at module 7.7 and chapter 7 wherein we are going to do design a profile and setting, and we'll do a little bit of enhancement in our old design, which is list of services and other parts of it. And I think list of services which you saw, uh, which uh, which can help the user locate best services in nearby area, and they can choose based on ratings and comments, or let's say the name and like how far is it or how near is it, so they can select that way. And even if they move to a different place and different location, they can choose that as well. And I think that can help users in general have better services for their motorbike. All right, so in let's do a quick recap. That is what we did, and now we are going to do design 7.7, which is profile and setting. Let's see, how much we can design. We may be able to just finish profile or just setting. So we'll start with profile, and let's see, what will happen in module 7.8. We'll design chat screens. So I think that should help us. And chat and support should be same. Chat is basically chatting with the services or chatting with the customer support team. All right, let's go and deep dive into design, Figma design. So we'll go ahead and deep dive here. All right, so you already see we have the um, this list of service providers, and we also have okay, why is this called page title? I should have this called request services. As I said, I'll do little bit of editing as well. This is requests. All right. Okay. I had to add some padding here. I forgot. So padding can help me uh, look at these, properly. Not just help me, help. I think make the UI look a little better. So I have tried one more thing. I have added one more black color in the variable. Let me show you. So in color, I have created in the base color one more black variant and one more white variant. So in one more white variant, I have the lightest white, and in the black variant, I have the little darker side of gray. So I was thinking, why not we use it in all these cards, tiles. So let's go ahead and apply only at once, and this should affect entirely. So if we apply here, let's say we can go to fill, and we can just select black 2, and let's see what happens in the UI. Black 2, here it is applied, here it is applied, but somehow here it is not getting applied. So let's say, why is that? Okay, so maybe because these are not actual what you call. Okay, so for now we will apply that manually. These are not component. Okay, so I've done that. Now I think it makes sense. It looks way better than before. I think I should have one more information, color, which is brighter than because this is not that readable. So let's go ahead and do that. will increase the hue there as well. So let's go ahead and in indicator, let's duplicate this and make this, let us go little on the brighter side. I think that should work. Information 2, I'll just keep the name information 2. Information 2. Okay, this should have information 2. Okay, this looks good. Why, I don't know why this color is changing. This is not supposed to be changing. So this is supposed to be just base gray. Also here, this color is not supposed to be changing. This has to be gray. Okay. So now we have really nice looking design for all these other pages, and I have also shifted this a bit down, so it doesn't affect what you call these parameters like the notch of iPhone. All right. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and design the profile page. So let's say I will duplicate this page. What about if we make this also? I'm sorry I keep doing this, but this sometimes this is important to be done. Yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. I'll have this done. Or black too. Now it looks like a beautiful design, all over the places. So now let's go ahead and we'll go to profile page, which should have this kind of title. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. So what we'll do is we'll first rename it. So there is home request, service provider, service request status. Okay, it should not have the same name. Let's call it profile. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll delete these cards. I don't know if I need the cards right now. We'll see if we need the cards. But we might need a different type of card, so I'm not sure about this right now. Let's go ahead and delete these number of cards. We may not need this button, so let's remove this button, and instead of ticket, let's call it container. Okay, and we might need a cover and let's say a patch for photograph. So let's go ahead and do the system design for it. So maybe this size itself, this side doesn't look that bad, so let's create, yeah, let's break this because detach, no, I can need it, I can need it if I want to edit my pictures. So icon is obviously needed. There'll be one more thing called image. So I can just go to Unsplash, find an image. I don't know if this should be a component. This can be a component. Yeah, this should be a component because you would like the same sizing to be applied everywhere. So this doesn't look that bad. Let's see. in terms of fill. If we can fit is too much, we may need some this kind of picture. Let's fit this, or fill this and see how much is space. Okay, this is exactly a bond. Okay, this doesn't look that bad. And what we'll do is we'll apply, we'll remove this, and we'll apply some stroke, not inside but outside, and we'll give it of black too, so it is visible. And we'll apply a color on this as well. So we will apply the main black. So let's do that. And we will do the curve as well. I want an edit option basically. So let's do the complete curve. And now um, so let's first change the icon. Just edit. Icon seems to be too big. Maybe we need this inner, and this can have 7 7, and that can have a color of black. Okay, and I can make this, let's say, small. I don't want 18 18. 16. How does 16 looks? All right, not that bad. You go ahead and add a stroke to it. Let's add a stroke to it, which is black. Okay, I'm not going to change the color, but we're going to add a stroke. Okay, instead of inside, let's have it outside. And let's make this ignore auto layout and place this on somewhere here. And this whole thing is a component. Okay, this image can always be changed, so that should not be a problem. Let's go to UI and bring this. Let's do that. Okay, so we can do one more thing here. We have 2-3 different ways to design, whether we want a cover or not. In this case, I may not need a cover, but instead, I can just go ahead and use the same thing. I might need to add name and all that, all those aspects. So name might not be needed with the profile itself. But let's go ahead and add names and everything. Let's do a quick small design first, and then we'll see how we can improve it. So I'm here and I'm inside body. This is This profile, this should be inside body container, and this container should be okay. I can have the name here, so profile I can call it, and I can make it fill container and then add a name to it. Let's say Riya Sharma. That's a good name. Mumbai Mira Road. Hey, this is my own profile. I don't mind. Yeah, so those two things you need, location and a name. So let's select both of these and make them come on top of each other. So, and also remove, change the gap perspective. Let's add 7. 7 is nice. So okay, now this can be large, which is this. This can be is small, which is this. Okay, and I'll change the color for the second one, which can be little gray. This can be body as well. I don't mind for it to be body. Okay, should we go? Okay, let me add one more padding. I think that I have been trying to do from a very long time and I have not added yet. So I want to go to sizes, and then I want to go to spaces, and then I want to add. Okay, shift enter. Just let the name be same, 337. Okay, so let's apply 3 now. Let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks nicer, and for this let's apply 14. So there is some consistency. I don't mind. This looks pretty nice in a way. Okay, so there are two ways we can design the whole thing, but we don't have to be too critical. Let's just do in a list way, wherein we don't need what you call the date and all of that. We just need one simpler page with icon and text and everything else. So like there'll be title, there'll be body, and there'll be user can just go inside and there can be just one icon as well. So let's go ahead and duplicate the list and then redesign it. I'll duplicate this, bring it down, and what if there was a way to duplicate this? Yeah, Pingma might have to rethink. And there would be an okay. So what if there is another variation here? No, that can't be. This has to have a different name. That can be a variation. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, let's see. This could be a different variations itself. Variation 2, normal setting, wherein I don't need timestamp. I don't need status. I need icon. And, these icons can be auto layouted. Let's add some padding here. 7, and this color can be white. I don't mind, or light gray. Some light gray. And the inside color can be a complete off black, which we are using for the background. We can do that off black, and we can add I don't know, I don't think we need a stroke for this, but we need a curve, so we'll apply just a curve. All right, let's apply the biggest curve so it doesn't look that bad. Description, list title. This can be different. They don't have to be part of same parameters. They can have, let's say, you can call them list 2D, and this one list. This is list title, so I can call it, let's say, list title details. Yeah, I don't mind. So this doesn't look that bad. Now I can just go ahead in my UI, and I can just change the variant. Let's go ahead, just change the variant to normal setting. Oh wow, this looks beautiful. I can just now add them to, maybe I don't need a lot, you know, maybe I just, so okay, so let's go ahead, and we don't need the stroke color to be very much highlighted, so we'll just use normal stroke here. We'll use what we have been using. Okay. Let's remove this and let's use base cream. Yeah, black light. This looks nicer. Let's see what are we using for spaces. Let's use 14 for now. I think that's what I've been using. Yeah, 14 if the lists are closer. Let's use 14 here as well. Now I'm like very close to finishing the time, so I might not be able to redesign everything, but okay. So I think the most important thing I should be redesigning better is the spaces. The spaces looks nice here, but I don't know what's happening. Why is it let's say left? This should be okay. This is focused, and this should be left aligned somehow. Okay, I don't see a problem. Instead of auto, what if these are left aligned? Let's see. I see a problem somewhere wherein this list, this specific list looks like, oh yeah, this can be just 14. So let's go back to the UI and let's see what it is. Yeah, this solves my problem. I can just go ahead and change few things. Change, let's say, I want to name it. Um, Profile details. Change my change details, payment setting, UPI, bank, uh, other setting. I don't think we need other setting. Everything can be, set here itself. Like bright, dark, text. Let's say notification. You can have notification, set notification on and off. Okay. I don't think we need anything else. This can be just log out. Application. You can change the icons depending on, this I can make it. Okay. So I don't know. I have not made that icon instance. Change icon. Let's go ahead and do that very quickly, and we can be able to jump into different parameters. So money, 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 money. Okay, I can use this preference. Okay, this bell notification setting. Yeah, for now let's use this. I don't have time. Log out. You don't need an actual for now. You don't need an actual profile page. Setting page does the work. So I think this looks good, and let's go and see what we will learn in the next chapter, which is going to be about chat and support. So we'll design a screen wherein you'd be able to see chat pop-ups and how the support should reply, what you should attach. The basic screen will create, and we'll see how it goes. So see you guys in next chapter. Thank you.